Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the chart. Select it and confirm each data series has a clear name because the legend pulls text from those labels. Once selected, check colors and markers so the legend entries will be distinguishable. If not, change the series format now. Make sure the data ranges include headers or series names. Without them, the automatic legend may show generic labels. This step saves time later and ensures the legend is accurate and readable. You add the legend using the chart's insert or chart elements control. Once done, pick a position that doesn't obscure data. Then customize, change font size for readability, adjust item spacing so labels don't wrap, and edit marker symbols or line samples to match series styles. If your tool supports it, enable sorting or toggle series visibility directly from the legend. Make sure to preview at typical display size so the legend remains legible. You finish by confirming the legend updates as you add, remove, or hide series. This ensures continuity when the chart evolves. If automatic labels are wrong, replace them with manual legend entries or edit the series names in the data source so updates flow automatically. Finally, if the legend disappears or shows duplicates, check for hidden series, overlapping ranges, or missing headers. Adjusting those usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.